Hello everyone, today we are talking about time frames. What are time frames? They are basically the moment in time to which one is referring to when speaking or writing. Time frames exist in any language in the world. There are different ways to refer to time. For instance, we may use expressions such as yesterday or 1 month ago to refer to the past, now or today to refer to the present time, and tomorrow or after to refer to the future time frame. We may also use what we call tenses in grammar, which is a way to modify the form of a verb to express a certain time frame. For instance, ate is a special form of the verb to eat, to express that this action happened in the past. Now, if we look at the sentences A, B, and C, we may see that they start with the same expression of time, which you have studied in lesson 12. Ce matin, which means this morning. Does it mean that the sentences refer to the same time frame? The answer is no. Looking at the verb of the sentence A, this morning I ate a chocolate croissant. Ce matin, j'ai mangé un pain au chocolat. We can tell that it referred to a past event. Reading sentence B, this morning I am working on my computer. Ce matin, je travaille sur mon ordinateur. We can tell that it refers to an action that is currently happening in the present time. Reading sentence C, this morning I will talk to the students. Ce matin, je vais parler avec les étudiants. We can say that it refers to something that I am planning to do that has not happened yet. So, to sum up, expressions such as ce matin is not enough to tell about time. I need also to look at the form of the verb, and this is what we are going to talk about now. On that screen, you may have a better understanding of how all this works. Ce matin, cet après-midi, or ce soir, this morning, this afternoon, or this evening, can be used for any time frame, depending on the moment when someone is talking. For instance, planning my day while talking to a friend over the phone, let's say at 8 a.m., I may say, cet après-midi, je vais regarder la télé. This afternoon, I'm going to watch TV. However, if I am having this conversation over the phone at 8 p.m. to tell about my day, I may preferably say, cet après-midi, j'ai regardé la télé. This afternoon, I watched TV. So as you can see, it is just a matter of perspective. And below you can see a timeline that I've designed so that you can better understand how this works. On this last screen, I just want to show you how to recognize important tenses that refer to time frame. You know already the present tense, which appears in the middle, and you may have already practiced with the future tense in the last lesson using the verb aller with the infinitive form. Je vais regarder means I'm going to watch. Tu vas regarder, you are going to watch, and so on. So like the future tense, the past tense on the left on the screen is compound, which means that it has two parts. The first part is a verb that you already know, avoir, and which you have used in such expressions as j'ai faim, j'ai soif, or j'ai un chien, and so on. And it means have. The other part of this verbal form is the verb itself with a special ending, which here is a. It's a most of the time. But I'm not going to go into that right now, as my purpose here is just to help you recognize different time frames. Also, Keep in mind that there are many verbal tenses in French that you should learn to recognize. Let's now repeat these three conjugations of regarder at the past, present, and future time frames. Passé. J'ai regardé, tu as regardé, il a regardé, elle a regardé, on a regardé. Nous avons regardé, vous avez regardé, ils ont regardé, elles ont regardé. Présent. Je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, elle regarde, on regarde, nous regardons, vous regardez, il regarde, elle regarde. Futur. Je vais regarder, tu vas regarder, il va regarder, elle va regarder, on va regarder, nous allons regarder, vous allez regarder, ils vont regarder, elles vont regarder.